United States President Donald Trump will recognize Jerusalem as Israel's capital, senior administration officials have said. He is due to announce the controversial decision in a speech later. Mr. Trump is also expected to approve moving the United States Embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem, but not for several years. Israel welcomes the changes, but the Palestinians and Arab leaders have warned they will jeopardize any Middle East peace process. The Palestinians' UK representative, Manuel Hassassian, told the BBC the changes would be the kiss of death to the two-state peace solution and amounted to declaring war in the Middle East. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has yet to comment officially, but Education Minister Naftali Bennett called on other countries to follow Washington's lead. Jerusalem has been and always will be the eternal capital, he told the Jerusalem Post diplomatic conference. Pope Francis called for the status quo to be respected. Dialogue would only come through recognizing the rights of all people in the region, he said. And UK Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson said he viewed the reports of what Mr. Trump would say with concern. Israel has always regarded Jerusalem as its capital city, while the Palestinians claim East Jerusalem as the capital of a future Palestinian state. In recognizing Jerusalem as Israel's capital, the United States becomes the first country to do so since the foundation of the state in 1948. Tens of thousands fled their homes Tuesday as several incredibly fast-moving brush fires pushed by howling Santa Ana winds scorched parts of Southern California. Unpredictable winds and extremely dry brush, victim of little rainfall over the past 3 months, fueled at least 5 blazes. In Los Angeles, at least 500 firefighters watched a fire go from 4,000 acres to 11,000 in a matter of hours. We simply don't know what this fire will do, Mayor Eric Garcetti said. To the west, the biggest blaze has zero containment and it had grown to 50,000 acres, about 78 square miles, in just 19 hours. Some homes were ablaze in the northern part of Ventura, a city of more than 100,000 on the Pacific coast. More than a quarter of the city's residents had been told to get out. The fire, the largest of several wind-driven blazes in Southern California, forced sheriff's deputies to knock on doors to warn residents to evacuate Monday night. About 150 buildings, including homes and an evacuated Ventura hospital, have been destroyed. On Ventura's northern edge, at least 10 homes and many trees were burning in one neighborhood, sending thick smoke and dangerous embers into the gusty air. Danny Masterson, star of Netflix The Ranch, has been fired from the comedy after multiple allegations of rape were made against the actor. Masterson has already filmed 10 episodes of the 3rd season of the Colorado Ranch sitcom alongside co-star Ashton Kutcher. The second half of the show's season, dubbed Part 4 by Netflix, is released on December 15th. Masterson will appear in the 3rd season episodes he has filmed before being written out of the show. As a result of ongoing discussions, Netflix and the producers have written Danny Masterson out of The Ranch. Monday was his last day on the show, and production will resume in early 2018 without him, Netflix said in a statement to THR. The former That Single quote 70 Seconds show actor has been accused of rape and sexual assault by multiple women and is currently under investigation by the lab. Masterson said in a statement, via CNN, that he is obviously very disappointed in Netflix's decision to write my character off of The Ranch. From day one, I have denied the outrageous allegations against me. Law enforcement investigated these claims more than 15 years ago and determined them to be without merit. I have never been charged with a crime, let alone convicted of one. In this country, you are presumed innocent until proven guilty. However, in the current climate, it seems as if you are presumed guilty the moment you were accused.